Most courses that you're seeing sold online are absolutely scams, but here are a couple tips I'd recommend if you're looking to buy a course but don't want to waste your money or get sold information from someone who has not actually done it themselves. For reference, the first course I ever invested in was $3,000. It was an SEO course, and the best thing about that was it's helped me build multiple online businesses today, from affiliate sites to SaaS companies. I've consulted on SEO and media sites. SEO is just a very good fundamental skill to have as an online business owner. So here are a couple tips that I'd recommend if you're looking to buy a course or want to get started with making money online. Just go into every course with the mindset that you're researching that it probably is a scam. I would not personally trust most of them, and a lot of them actually are scams. But the biggest benefit of courses is if you find the right one from someone who's actually done what you're trying to do, is that it saves you the time of having to learn everything yourself, from trial and error, from finding tons of YouTube videos or resources online. It's just all in one course that shows you everything that actually has worked for that specific person. So I would definitely make sure whoever you're buying a course from, that they've done it not only once, but multiple times, and have actual proof and experience in whatever they're trying to sell you. Research the course and founder as much as you can and try to find as much information on how credible they are, what experiences other people have had who have bought the course. Ask Reddit, look up on Google, try to find YouTube reviews, and you'll be able to get a pretty good idea on if other people have actually bought the course and had success with it. Just make sure to Google ABC course reviews, maybe ABC course reviews Reddit, and you'll get a lot of information from who actually know the founder, bought their course, or just are familiar with the type of work they've done or they say they've done. My last tip is definitely don't be afraid of the price tag from courses. You'll see a lot of them sold anywhere from $1,000 to $8,000. You can find less, absolutely, but courses, the biggest benefit is that it saves you time. When I first was learning SEO, I was working a 9 to 5, so I didn't have more than 3 or 4 hours a day outside of that to learn everything myself. But having a course allowed me to find all that information pretty quickly and quickly know from A to Z what to do to launch a business with SEO. So absolutely you do not need a course to start an online business, but it will save you so much time if you don't have the amount of time that a lot of people have, especially if you are working a day job or have other priorities to take care of. If you have any questions on courses, drop a comment below. Otherwise, save this post as a reminder for the next course you're looking at buying.